So when I first moved down here, I was initially staying with a family friend in Raleigh. I moved to Durham. I actually live pretty close to Duke University. I have a one-bedroom apartment, which there are pros and cons to living on your own. The pros definitely outweigh the cons, but it can get pretty pricey for sure. Fortunately, I've known how to grocery shop, how to kind of manage my money, but no one loves rent day when it comes around, that's for sure. When I found out that they were raising the minimum wage, one, I was happy for myself. I was at the moment, slightly below where the minimum wage is going to be at 20. So every little bit kind of helps, right? I'm a big basketball fan. I think actually next year I'm going to splurge a little bit, maybe get season tickets for the women's team. These little tiny kind of amenities and kind of things that we can add to our schedule now that we have a little bit more flexibility. I was shocked that I was able to land something at Duke, and they've been good to me. I look forward to continuing both moving forward in this job at Duke as well as maybe moving forward like vertical movements within Duke itself.
For more videos from working at Duke, subscribe.